Hello and welcome to Pic-Time. I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to show you a quick glimpse into your Pic-Time account to get everything up and running. When you log into your Pic-Time account, you'll see this photographer dashboard, where you can search galleries, view insights and updates, and navigate through your entire account. After you've created a couple of client galleries, you can go to the Client Gallery section to customize your portfolio page. You can add text, media, update the style, and the gallery grid. Then you can integrate your portfolio page directly into your website. In your general settings, in the Brands and Style tab, you can add your branding, like your logo, any watermarks you might have, upload a print release, and you can connect a custom domain. In the Email Packages tab, you can customize all the emails that are sent from the system. And in the Preferences tab, you can create and edit your gallery templates and set other defaults, such as automatically favoriting or creating an automatic highlight scene of photos based on their star rating or keywords. In the Profile tab, you can add all of your basic business information and enable two-factor authentication. And in the Billing tab, you can update your payment method for your subscription and any applicable order costs, like if you want to offer your clients free shipping or complimentary products. And then in the Integrations tab, you can browse through and add our various integrations, including our Lightroom plugin. If you'd like to migrate your galleries to Pic-Time from another service, we offer gallery migration and have a guide to get you started right in our Help Center, as well as a link to the form to get you on the list. Then, after your gallery migration is complete, you can use the Gallery Migration Automation in the Shops and Automation section to invite your clients to their new Pic-Time gallery and shop, generating excitement with a sale or as a standalone announcement letting them know of their new gallery. If you want to learn more about getting the most out of your Pic-Time account, be sure to check out our other videos, the Help Center, or our blog to explore different topics.